Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Education's Daily Tech Tips. And in today's tech tip, you're learning how to use the strike-through feature in Google Docs. Now, strike-through is a very popular expression used by writers across the world, mostly to convey a different opinion from what is actually written. And so if you're one of the millions of people who use Google Docs, here's how to use the strike-through feature on Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to strike through. So for example, if it's a word or a couple of words or even a whole sentence or even a paragraph that you want to strike through, select it. So when that's selected, click on Format at the top and then put your mouse over text and then find Strike Through, and you'll strike through that text just like that. Now, if you don't feel like digging through the menu every time you want to use this strike-through feature, then you can use a keyboard shortcut. For Windows, select the text that you want to strike through. Then you want to press Alt, Shift, and number 5 on your keyboard to add strike-through just like that. If you're using Mac, then you need to use the Command, Shift, and X on your keyboard to add the strike-through on Google Docs. So that's basically how to add the strike-through feature on Google Docs. Thank you for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. But until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.